Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Canon Wi-Fi camera to mobile and transfer images to mobile. So first let me open Google Play Store in this mobile phone. Then install this app, Canon Camera Connect app. I already installed it. Let me open it. Tap on open. Then tap on agree. Then let me skip this. Tap on skip. Then tap on let's get started. Okay. Then we need to turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in this mobile phone. So let me turn on Bluetooth. First I am going to turn on Bluetooth. Okay, done. Then let me turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, done. Then in camera, press this menu button. Then here we can see 5 tabs. We have to select the 4th tab, connectivity tab. Under 4th tab, select option 1. Under option 1, we have to select connect to smartphone. Then select add a device to connect to. Then select OK. Then again press the set button. So now it's searching. Okay, so let me tap on this register your camera, this button. Then select camera model EOS R50. Then select Bluetooth, tap on Bluetooth. Then tap on next. Then tap on allow. So now we can see this camera name here. Tap on that. Now it's pairing. Tap on pair. Then on camera we have to select, we have to press this set button. Okay, done. Connected. Tap on OK. So now let me tap on this import images. Using this option we can transfer images from this camera to this mobile phone. Let me tap on import images. You can see it's trying to connect to Wi-Fi. It will automatically create a Wi-Fi hotspot. We have to connect to that Wi-Fi hotspot. Please wait. You can see it's automatically opened. It's automatically connected. It's automatically created Wi-Fi hotspot and connected to that Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, now we are seeing images in this camera. So let me open one image. Tap on the image. If you want to transfer this image from camera to mobile phone, we can tap on this import. If you don't want to reduce the size, you can unselect it. Then tap on OK. You can see it's saving image. Done. Then go back. So let me transfer one video file. Tap on this video file. Then again tap on this import. So now I am importing that video file from this camera to mobile phone. Okay, done. So after that we can go to file manager app. Let me open this my files app. Then go to device. Then go to pictures. Here we can say Canon EOS R50 camera name. Tap on that. Now we can see the imported image and video. So let me tap on image. See. So let me play this imported video. See. So this way we can connect Canon Wi-Fi camera to mobile phone and transfer images and videos. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.